Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Red, yellow, lemon green, blue, parrot green, sky blue. A. Say with me. A. A for apple. B. Say with me. B. B for ball. C. Say with me. C. C for cat. D. Say with me. D. D for doll. E. Say with me. E. E for art. F. Say with me. F. F for flower. G. Say with me. G. G for girl. H. Say with me. H. H for horse. I. Say with me. I. I for ice cream. J. Say with me. J. J for jackfruit. K. Say with me. K. K for key. L. Say with me. L. L for lion. M. Say with me. M. M for moon. N. Say with me. with me. O. O for orange. P. Say with me. P. P for penguin. Q. Say with me. Q. Q for quilt. R. Say with me. R. R for red. S. Say with me. S. S for sun. T. Say with me. T. T for tiger. U. Say with me. U. U for uniform. V. Say with me. V. V for van. W. Say with me. W. W for whale. X. Say with me. X. X for xylophone. Y. Say with me. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zebra. Subscribe for more videos.